For more, we're joined by attorney Vess Mitev, who represents Heuermann's two children. Great to have you on the show. Victoria and Christopher didn't attend the hearing today, but they must know about these new, very disturbing charges. Do you have any reaction for them?
Well, for them, as we've said all along, they're, sort of unfortunate bystanders. They're on this twisted carousel ride that is not of their own making at all. If you want to talk about allegations, the most important thing that came out of the bail application today, as far as we're concerned, is, again, the DA saying in no uncertain terms that these allegations that date back some 30 years have nothing to do with either the children, my clients, who are young adults, or Miss Ellerup. So that cannot be underscored. And the rest of it is, of course, the sins of the father, allegedly. And they're all allegations, as Mr. Brown pointed out today to the reporters. And like we've said all along, they're not gonna take the bait here. They're not gonna, try this case in the court of public opinion, because in the court of public opinion, I think it's safe to say there's already been a conviction. In the courtroom, much different. There's a quantum leap between allegations and a conviction, and they plan to, follow the process along as we're all following the process along until and if it concludes.
Yeah, everybody in this country is presumed innocent until proven guilty. But that blueprint that was found in the basement of the Heuermann home is pretty shocking. Are they aware of its contents?
Well, they were aware that something was happening, and again, we're all bystanders, right? Again, this is not of their own making, and the allegations are shocking. They are, certainly, but again, they're allegations. The blueprint itself, as it's been called, from a criminal defense standpoint, it's almost a little too neat, one might say, of course, because it seems to tie in everything almost perfectly, inescapably. So Mr. Brown has his work cut out for him, and I know the DA does as well, because I don't think this case is going to be resolved. If it takes 30 years to commit these acts, it's not going to be resolved in 30 months. So they're all along for this marathon.
Asa Ellerup has said she is giving her husband, Rex Heuermann, the benefit of the doubt about his innocence. Is the same true for Victoria and Christopher?
Well, as I said, these are two young adults, and they are standing tall in the face of searing adversity, okay? And if this happened to you or me or anyone else we know, I think we would have crumbled into sawdust by now, by the mere fact that we are associated with this, which is, an unparalleled, unheard of case. So the mere fact that they're still here day to day, with their family, their small little unit, that small little dog that you see there, that's Stewie, just trying the best they can, putting one foot in front of the other and trying to, pick up the pieces as they're simultaneously being torn down. That's their life. That's their existence for going on 14 months now. So
yeah, you said it was like living in quicksand. Living in,
I said it before and I'll say it again. It really is. It's constantly shifting. Their environment is constantly changing. They're reevaluating minute by minute, hour by hour. And I'm sure that, you heard Mr. Tierney say today, they're still investigating. So, this is a grim marathon. They're here for it. It's not a sprint. They know that. They've come to grips with that, which again takes, my hat is off to them, because their character is unimpeachable. And the DA has said as much.
Vess Mitev, grim marathon is a very good way to describe the ordeal, not just for Rex Heuermann's family, but the family of all these victims of these women. Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.